Welcome back to Red Rivals. I was watching the farewell videos that the official United channel has posted for Lindelof and Eriksen, and it makes you sad really कि David De Gea को ये सब नहीं मिला despite all that he did for our club. But I'll make a separate video on that regarding De Gea and the way United handled his whole situation. But yeah, coming back to Lindelof and Eriksen, I think they were players who went under the radar really, at least in the media, despite whatever they did, whether good or bad. I think other players around them always took the credit or the blame, and they were sort of less talked about. So at the time that they're leaving, I just wanted to reminisce on their time here at United and how great professionals they were. They could have gone astray, they could have been dressing room leakers, or the snakes, the Garnachos, the Sanchos, whatever. But I think especially Lindelof, you will have to give him credit for that he stayed professional throughout it all. With Lindelof though, I go way back, back when Ole was at the wheel and it was all vibes FC, no tactics, no nothing, just vibes, Paul Pogba and them. And back then I feel like when the times were bad, which they were usually, we never pointed fingers at Lindelof as much as we pointed at Maguire or Shaw or De Gea. And part of I'm not saying that is us ignoring him or something. I'm saying that is to his credit. He was not part of as many blunders as they were, and I think a lot could have gone wrong with Lindelof. जब Maguire was the biggest meme on the internet, और De Gea post that World Cup, उसका जो पूरा end तक बहुत गंदा stint चल रहा था. So I feel like Lindelof could have gone astray here and there, but he stayed a true professional through it all. Or yeah, we have to give him credit for that. And I think his time at United can be symbolized into that winning penalty that he scored against Brighton. क्योंकि see, वो penalty, he looked calm, he looked composed, and he smashed it top bins to send us to the FA Cup final. And I think his career has been like that. They were the team was collapsing, there were tough times, managers were changing. But see, I'm not saying that he was world class. He obviously wasn't. He wasn't as fast as a world class defender, wasn't as good as a world class defender in the air. But I think जितना उसमें था उसने वो दे दिया है. He has given his 100%, and I think that is why United fans didn't really have a go at him, because at least he was giving it his all. You can also see for yourself under the comment section of the Lindelof farewell video how much United fans appreciate him and love him. क्योंकि यार वो कभी वो रोया ही नहीं कभी. The team was crumbling, players were shitting about each other, managers were getting kicked out, dressing room leakers थे, lineup leak हो जाता था, it was so unstable, and all them, we were the biggest joke in the Premier League at least. And इतना कुछ हुआ. Then he got benched when we bought defenders, Varane, Lisandro and all. But he never cried, he never moaned, he was always available. He had a few injuries I think, but he was always available when he was fit. And जब भी वो सब होके आता था, he used to give it his all. Nothing comes to mind when you say the word Lindelof कि नहीं यार वो at that time he did this or something, he moaned about getting benched or something. He was so professional to the end. I think nothing but respect for him, nothing but admiration and gratitude as well. Because for a long time he was the main centre back with Harry Maguire, right? And he could have crumbled like Maguire did जब सब question कर रहे थे and confidence low था. And who knows कितना बुरा और होता अगर he was performing like Maguire back then, उतना error, उतना low confidence. But yeah, it is good to see that he got a good farewell and he deserves it obviously. So as for Eriksen, nothing but respect for him. We all know that he came past his prime, है ना, and with this whole medical accident and all, I think what he did is very underrated at United. काफ़ी क्लच गोल मारे हैं उसने, काफ़ी क्लच असिस्ट भी दिए हैं, and that second assist to Ahmad against Southampton comes to mind. फिर the assist to Garnacho against Fulham at like away game था, I think last 88th minute or something, that comes to mind. फिर उसका पहला सीज़न ही इतना underrated था. He gave 10 assists in the 2022-2023 season, which was, you know, we ended up third in that season, so that had a big role to play. And वही, he came to us with a receding hairline और हमने उसे almost पूरा टकला करके ही छोड़ दिया. So yeah, that's us. We are the anti-minoxidil of the Premier League. Players आते हैं तो गंजे हो जाते हैं, खेलना भूल जाते हैं, या मतलब पगला आ जाते हैं, स्नेक्स बन जाते हैं. बट मैनेजर्स आते हैं, उनके बाल सफ़ेद हो जाते हैं. That's us. We do that to you, है ना. That's how big we are. Yeah, so as I was saying, एरिक्सन का काफ़ी अंडररेटेड रहा है इस टाइम एट यूनाइटेड. और आई थिंक नो, ही डिडंट गेट हिज फ्लावर्स, बट नॉट टू द एक्सटेंट, क्योंकि यू नो वी वर वेयर वी वर इन द लीग एंड वी वर गेटिंग नॉक्ड आउट ऑफ कॉम्पिटिशन्स. उसके लो मूवमेंट्स भी थे. ही यूज्ड टू गेट आउट रन इन मिडफील्ड अ लॉट, बट वही ना, ही वॉज नॉट इन हिज प्राइम. लाइक दैट इज़ like why did we sign him in the first place, ये सवाल करना पड़ेगा if you are going to criticize him for that. But for what he did, like at the bare minimum, उसने कम से कम like कोबी मेनू को ही अपने एक्सपीरियंस से कितना कुछ सिखाया होगा. And I think he was a good role model to have in the team, like for the young players especially. I think another reason for us not appreciating these players like Eriksen and Lindelof वगैरह, Johnny Evans also, is that in the moment while we're so low, we forget to like look around at the players that like are doing or giving their 100%. But kyunki we are so absorbed in the loss or in our position in the league or like getting knocked out of a competition, so like we let all that go under the radar. और फिर हम बाद में like 3-4 साल बाद ऐसे बोलते हैं कि like bro, like the vibes were so good, the times were so good, है ना. We did this with Jesse Lingard, we did this with Pogba, we were doing this with McTominay now. Or like United fans are like, we are a victim to this petty nostalgia, और हम भूल जाते हैं कि how bad the times actually were. और अब you know edits आते हैं, वो Martial और Sunny in it was Sunny in it, like whatever, Blackchester United, Jesse Lingard, Rashford vibes, dance, नाच रहे हैं. Like bro, we were losing to Watford, we were losing to Palace, we were like, the times were not good, है ना. So yeah, I think we as a fan base have this issue. It's not really an issue, but like we are nostalgia merchants. That is what this club has been reduced to. Hopefully we change that next season. मैं ये बोलता आ रहा हूँ कुछ 4-5 साल से ही, next season. So yeah, I just mentioned Johnny Evans and I wanted to shout him out once again, क्योंकि obviously he is leaving with Lindelof and Eriksen. What a player, क्या आदमी था. मतलब like वो 40-50 साल के वो अंकल नहीं होते जो बैडमिंटन में कुछ भी कर देते हैं, like crazy. That's how he looked. And basically retirement से उसको उठा के लाए. And on like many nights he looked better than the rest of our defense, which is crazy to be that good, that composed with the ball at his age. Insane. Nothing but respect for Unk. Also goes to show how bad our defense was, कि it was making this uncle की age के आदमी को look इतना good. But yeah, great professional, great role model for the youngsters in our team, and nothing but respect.